Break ID number 2085. 2017 Bowman's Best Baseball 1-box break. This one has one filler, good for 3 spots. Grant, Paul, and Todd. Go. Paul, DE. Buy one, get one free, so I'll double the spots. Doubled Paul's spots that he just won. Don't forget that on those fillers, to buy one, get one free, the amount you win doubles too. So here's the list, and go. There you go, Brad, NU with a free spot. Craig, which mass show is that? Four left in Prime Signatures half case. Benintendi rookie. Hank Aaron insert. First auto, Justice Sheffield. On card to the Yankees, Brad, NU. Atomic, Andres Galarraga. Rafael Devers, pre-rookie. Matt Sauer on card. That's also to the Yankees, Brad, NU. Five spots left in the next 2015 Bowman's Best. Oh my gosh. Seriously. Monochrome auto to 30. Mike Trout. Oh, yeah, I've been to that show, Craig. That's an awesome show. On card also. Guys, seriously. Angels, Grant, L.A., hello. Get that thing graded. Wow. Huh. Lazarito Armenteros. Best Cuts auto. That's an insert auto, parallel refractor to 150. Oakland. Paul, D.E. Come on. Last pack. 3 autos in this mini box, 5 in the break. And this one looks to be red. Pavin Smith. Nope, not red. 2, Arizona. Todd, E.G. So you know that Trout was a case hit or better, putting an extra auto in this box. Very nice. What a break.